Welcome to 9127 Ridge Drive in Navarre, Florida. Today I wanted to give you a little tour of our coming soon that we have. This is a wonderful home built in 2018. It is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home, and it's 2,053 square feet. The exterior of this home is hardy plank siding, and we also have hurricane shutters as well as a termite bond. So you're pretty much covered on everything here. So coming into the main foyer, we have some wonderful tray ceilings. And on the right-hand side of the house, we have a nice sized laundry room with additional storage above. And we also have the entrance to the garage on this side. So this home has luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout the main living areas, as well as crown molding and recessed lighting. So as you can see, we have a nice open, spacious floor plan here. A nice large kitchen island with granite countertops, shaker style cabinets, and stainless steel appliances that looks out into the living room with a walk-in pantry. This home is a split floor plan, so you have the master bedroom on one side of the house, giving you a little bit of separation from the other 3 bedrooms in the home. First, I'm going to take you over into the master bedroom. The master bedroom has tray ceilings as well, with some wonderful crown molding. Just gorgeous, gorgeous. This home also has blinds throughout that have already been installed. So I just love this master bathroom. It's very spacious. We have a double granite vanity with some shaker style cabinets, as well as a wonderful walk-in shower with a nice sized shower bench and some mosaic tile accents in the niche and on the bench. So wonderful shower here. The master closet is definitely a nice size. We have a good sized walk-in closet with ample storage space for all your storage needs and things. All right, now I'm going to take you on the other side of the home and show you the 3 additional bedrooms and additional bathroom. This home, as I said, is on 0.53 acres. So they've actually fenced in half the backyard for their dog. So, I mean, you have tons of space back there to whatever you wanted to do with the rest of that backyard if you were interested in having a larger backyard. So the first room, obviously, you can see a very cute, well done baby room. Next, we have the second bathroom with granite countertops and the shaker style cabinets as well, with a shower tub combo. So if you have littles, that's perfect. You got the tub already ready to go. Here we go into the second bedroom on this side of the house. This bedroom looks out onto the front side of the house. The third bedroom on this side of the house, or 4th bedroom total, also looks onto the front side of the house. They have this set up as a gym right now, but all really nice sized bedrooms in this home. You have your formal dining, conveniently located just off the kitchen with a wonderful tray ceiling as well. Now I'm going to take you into the backyard. So we have a very large covered patio here. Again, hardy plank siding on the exterior of this whole home. They have a TV set up out here as well. As you can tell, a wonderful fenced backyard with a privacy fence that's been freshly painted. So I'm going to take you through that gate right there and show you what lies beyond the fence. So this house is just in wonderful condition. It's ready to go. It's turnkey. It's like a brand new home built in 2018. So this one definitely won't last. All right. So look at all this awesome extra yard space you get back here. I mean, the possibilities are endless what you could do with this. You got some wonderful shady pine trees far away from the home, so no worries there. And the remainder of this is mostly fenced back here as well. So it's just wonderful to have that extra space. You're less than a mile from Walmart here and just minutes to Navarre Beach. So this is just a great location. Let us know if you have anybody who'd like to see it. This one is definitely not going to last.